Good morning. This is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. Although it is Valentine's season, I am doing several events between now and May, and two of them are at schools, and one of them will be at a children-friendly venue. With that being said, I thought, well, let's go ahead and do something for the graduates. Here, these bags I purchased from Oriental Trading, and what we're going to do is we're going to put 5 of the Hershey Kisses in the bottom. So, and then I'm also going to put 4 Dove candies, a Ghirardelli, and some M&Ms on the top. Okay, once you do that, it's going to be pretty stuffed. And see, there's the other candy, and it looks like that. Okay, once you get that complete, I also had a bunch of magnets left that I couldn't sell the way I wanted to. So to help create value, I put a magnet at the top of the bundle to give it a little bit more oomph and to give them a keepsake, because once you eat the candy, you don't have anything left. Okay, so then once I did that, I have some 5x7 bags. I think these bags are 8 inches long, so I had to put one on the top and one on the bottom. Once I get that part complete, I tied it off with a gold bow to bring out the word congratulations, grad. Again, it's just a 5-step process. Put the candy in the bottom, wrap up the candy that's going to go in the top because you want it to show and you don't want it to sink down. Then once you get that done, you put your magnet or your flower or whatever else that you have available, pencils, erasers, whatever you have available, keychain, anything that can go at the top. And then once you finish that, you close it off to help make sure it looks like a gift and it's finished. And then finish it off with some ribbon. I think I like it at the bottom better. So the 5 that I haven't completed yet, I will go ahead and make it so that the bag is open at the bottom that way, or just drop the magnet in before I close it off. This is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.